Hi guys, so let's run through on how you can implement SEO inside of your system. Now remember SEO is search engine optimization, and once you go to your pages and click on the settings, let me do that again. Go to your pages, any of the pages, because you have to do that for your individual pages to set it properly so that your website will be overly optimized. And when I click on the settings, I can see the general information, which is basically the name of the page and everything. So you can rename this as you want, but basically the first page is always identified by index. Set your favicon to what you want to use. Remember, I already have an image uploaded, so I'm going to just click on that and select it straight up without having any conflict. And the next thing I'm going to do is also to go to the SEO and explain what it's all about. Now, SEO basically is for you to be able to put information inside of your website that will assist the search engine like Google, Yahoo search, and so on to be able to find your website easily without difficulty, right? To rank it higher, which means once you search on Google, you see a couple of websites, one, two, three, your website should be listed on the same page as high ranking, competing with top businesses as well. So it depends on what you put in. So meta description is basically what is your website all about? Describe your website in plain term. This is a website where you buy sweater for winters and sweaters for winter and at cheaper rate without traveling miles or something like that. Just basically write something that's explanation of your website. Yeah, you can do that as much as you want and type whatever you want to do that. So now the next one is meta keywords. It's important. Now remember there are some websites that offer you sister services that you could easily generate the meta description by explaining your business and also meta keywords. You can make use of them. They are quite good, and I'll mention a few later in the description. So meta keyword is specifically the keywords that makes up your business or the words that make up your business specifically. And I'm selling sweater, so sweater is important. I'm going to write that. So sweater winter 2023, which is the year that we are in. I can say cheap. Someone's my search for cheap sweaters, affordable. So you understand your business better. So you can name all these words by separating them with a comma to understand which particular one that is best fit. So that when someone is searching, this will automatically be captured. Now, the next thing to talk about is analytics. If you want to have Google Analytics inside of your system, Google Analytics is basically what tells you where people click on or how many persons has visited your website or what they have been doing for you to advise. So it advises you better on how to optimize your website to make your website serve the purpose of selling your business properly. Okay, if they're going for the sweaters, you can focus more effort on the sweaters by making sure you have your analytics that shows that. So I'll put a link to Google Analytics that you can be able to click on to set up. It's quite easy. There are some videos that does that as well. I explain how you can set up Google Analytics and get the code easily. Now, the next thing I want to talk about before I apply my SEO that I've applied is the preloaders. The preloaders are quite very specific because when you're loading a page or when you're loading your pages and you want to be able to have these kind of preloaders show before the page loads itself. It's nice. You can also click on this to have an image. You can paste the link for the image, or you can just click on the part to upload an already existing image, and I can just select this and have this apply. So it becomes my loader at the beginning of the page. And once I'm done, I'll click on apply to have this applied on this page. All right. So the next thing I want to talk about briefly is if I click on my stuff here, on my global styling and I go to home, remember we have several pages. So I'm going to click on about. I'm going to click on link here to link an external page, an internal page. I'm going to click on this to select section or page, and we are going to select the about us page. Once we are done that, what we did is basically this. If I click on about us, it takes us to the about us page. So that's how you link your pages, and you can do that for other links and give me feedback on how it is that you enjoy this section and what you're able to create with this. Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so and watch the next video for you to understand everything properly. Thank you guys.